Metabolism fundamentally involves the flow of various bodily fluids and the transport of substances within these fluids. So you could say it in a very simplified way. So imagine there's a river and you throw something into it. Then the river's current takes whatever you've thrown in there. If it floats, it gets carried along with it. And the more that flows, the more water is present, meaning fluid, and the right nutrients, the higher the probability and the significantly greater the likelihood they have of successfully reaching all the cells. And in this whole process, most people first think of the heart, yes, because it's beating and it's pumping. But now you have to imagine there aren't just the highways, those are like the main arteries, the main vessels. There are also rural roads and smaller roads, as well as dirt paths and deer trails. And there are many smaller units to be found within that entire complex system too. And biophysics shows that the heart on its own wouldn't be able to circulate blood through all of these tiny vessels. So now we need some help, and that help is movement. And that's precisely why physical activity is essentially metabolism. This is another one of those fascinating things because practically, if you want to move from point A to point B to pick an apple, then this journey from A to B simultaneously ensures that the substances that the apple gives to the body can be distributed throughout the body. So it's a really clever setup by biology, super efficient. And that's precisely what enables walking, because when this muscle moves and contracts, it creates a pumping action. The contraction pumps